So I'm going to transplant these two trees. Did frost, so I'm going to try to transplant them into these pots so it doesn't frost overnight and kill them. And I'll just bring them inside, transplant them down there. Okay, so I transplanted these, watered them. They were just too big for the pots. I put the pots back, but too big for the pots. And then I know I severed some roots when I was digging them up from over there, so I don't know if they'll survive. I just watered them. But if they die, they die. They're like $10 each. I bought them on clearance 4 years ago, so there was originally 6 and 2 other ones died, so I originally put them for privacy, but we now have a fence. I am concerned though about stuff like this. So this is a stain spot from where the fence was just stained. That cannot go where my vegetables are going. I'm concerned it's already seeped into the ground. I'm really worried about that. So it's completely toxic. So I'm not going to be able to put my vegetable, like I don't know how far it spreads too. I don't know. So I'm going to dig it up and try to just throw it in the garbage. This was only done a few days ago. I really don't know. Okay, dug up these spots. Hey, get out of there. And then I'm going to just drag this out to the front curb to be collected. Okay, so the trees. So these two I transplanted. This one's not looking so great. I did water it, and this one as well, as much as I could. In the days after I transplanted it. What are you doing? But yeah, basically just moved them down and made way for my garden.